up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got something a little different from the 80s, a 1980 Chevy Malibu. This runs and drives, but it is a project, guys. Not a perfect car. It's a cheapie, under 10K. As you can see, the paint is not the best up on top, but the rest of the car is pretty solid. V8 under the hood, automatic transmission. It's got a 305 underneath. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle, go over the good, the bad, and the ugly, so you know exactly what you get before it shows up. We'll go over panel by panel, scratch by scratch, so you know the exact condition of the vehicle. Guys, if you like classic cars, please subscribe so you can see me go out and buy them, because I am the classic car buyer. And you can watch as we post them up for sale. Subscribe, hit the notification button if you want to get pop-ups on your page. If you don't want to see these cars, don't subscribe and I won't be on your page. That's simple. Got this one listed for $9,999 on our website as of October 1st. We can finance this car for you, $1,000, $1,500 down. And we offer shipping, get it to your doorstep. We'll start off, we're going to treat this like a normal car, do our normal inspection on it. We are going to find a little bit more than usual on a car like this because it is a running, driving project. The paint test, you can see my paint in it great. This part of the paint is absolutely beautiful. It looks good. However, the paint up here is baked. I don't think this is going to come back even with a buff. This is done, finished. So for that reason, because of that, I'm going to say the paint's a 2 out of 10. If it did not have that, I would say the paint was probably like a 6 out of 10. I would say you could drive it the way it is or budget for yourself to put a paint job on it. Maybe a cheap paint job, maybe like a Mako job or something, just to have a cheapie to get in the game. We're going to do this a little differently. I mean, we're going to hit everything, but this car is not a normal classic car. It's more of a project driver. It does have flaws. I'm going to point out there's chips here. We're not going to go through every single chip. The dash is warped. It's going to need a new dash. I'm going to look for the major stuff. That's what we're looking for. So major is this here. Major's up there. Glass is good. I just want to do a quick overall. Bumper's got a lot of pitting on it. But I don't see a little crack here in the paint. Let's put our light on. Yeah, a little imperfection there. Rest of the car looks okay. Now guys, this is not typically something I sell. Would you like to see more cars like this, cheap, affordable, classic cars? Or does it hurt our reputation from the nice Mustangs, from the Shelby types, the 64, got a DZ over there? Does this help or hurt our business? Or would you like to see diversity? You want to see different cars? Let me know your comments. Leave me a comment and also make sure you subscribe. If you've never seen one of our cars, we do typical walkthroughs. Like I said, this one's going to be a little bit different because there's a lot on this car. It even looks like this is a little bit different blue. Has a more of a green tint to it. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I'm not going to go over the gaps and the body lines on this car. Tires feel like they're brand new, and the wheels also look good. So all 4 tires, 2 at least. Let's see if the other 2, yep. All 4 tires are solid and good. Door panel showing some age. Seats showing some age. Headliner's good. Biggest thing I would do is get rid of that dash, replace that dash. Door doesn't shut the best. Ooh, a little bubble there. Got a little bubble right there. It is very clean underneath, which is good. I don't see any rot. Let's check the other side. There's a little rust there, but for the most part, pans are good. Looks clean. Okay, hood's not popping open. Sounds good. Let's see where it was parked, if there was anything leaking. Looks like a little bit transmission fluid maybe. Alright guys, up for sale now, BobEvansClassics.com. This is a trial video. Let me know if you want to see the lower end stuff. And we'll start shooting that at our other lot. We'll do bargain buys by Bob Evans. Leave me a comment, guys. Appreciate you checking out our page. God bless the USA.